Uy, around 100 cars ang i-feature natin today guys for this vlog. It's a wonderful day guys. Dito ako nakabili ng murang sasakyan. Kaya tara, ihahanap din kita. Kung nakasubscribe ka na, you can comment down below. Mag-request ka kung anong sasakyan ang gusto mong hanapin natin para next vlog may feature natin yan. Kaya ito yung mga subscribers ko na nag-request last episode. At ito yung mga request nila. Dito tayo sa stockyard ng PS Back para i-feature ang 100 plus na mga sasakyan. Let's do this!
...2019 Toyota Fortuner 2.4V 4x2 automatic transmission with a floor price of 1,134,000 and 45,000 mileage and a 80% tread life. This car also includes a rain visor. ...2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission with a floor price of 639,000 and 8,000 mileage. This car has a 90% tread life with no rain visor. Toyota Wigo 1.0G automatic transmission with a floor price of 418,000 and a 16,000 mileage. This car has a 90% tread life with a rain visor. Our next car is a Toyota Race 2023 Toyota Race 1.2E manual transmission with a floor price of 639,000 and a 5,000 mileage, which has a tread life of 90 to 95%. This car also has a rain visor with good wheels. Next car we have a 2024 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission with a floor price of 693,000 and a 7,000 mileage. This car has a 95 to 99% tread life. Our next car, another 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XE CVT automatic transmission with a floor price of 585,000 and a low mileage of 1,000. Wow, this car is 99% tread life. Another 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission with a mileage of 31,000 and a floor price of 570,000. This car has a tire tread life of 85 to 90%. Moving on, we have another 2023 Toyota Vios automatic transmission with a floor price of 570,000 and a 14,000 mileage. This car has tread life of 90%. Moving on, we have a 2023 Toyota Rush 1.5 GRS automatic transmission with a floor price of 909,000 and a 16,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 90%. Another 2024 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission with a floor price of 684,000 and a 12,000 mileage. This car has 95% tread life. Next, we have a 2024 Mitsubishi Xpander 1.5G DLX automatic transmission with a floor price of 945,000 and a 10,000 mileage. This car is 95 to 99% tread life. 2023 Mitsubishi Strada 2 4-wheel drive GLS 2-wheel drive and automatic transmission with the floor price of 1,089,000 and a 13,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 90%. This car has a rain visor. The next car na we have is 2017 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4D GLX 2-wheel drive with a manual transmission and a floor price of 702,000. Mileage of 47,000 with a tread life of 80%. Next car we have here is a 2024 Nissan Urban NV 350 2.5 18th STR CRDI manual transmission with a floor price of 1,143,000 and a 13,000 mileage. This car has a tread life or this van has a tread life of 95%. This is a 2023 Mitsubishi Strada 2.4D Athlete 2-wheel drive automatic transmission and which has a floor price of 1,121,000 and a 4,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 90 to 95% that also has rain visors. Next we have a Toyota Wigo 1.0G new look automatic transmission with a floor price of 432,000 and a 9,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 85 to 90%. This car also has rain visors. Next we have a 2023 Hyundai Stargazer 1.5G IVT automatic transmission with a floor price of 828,000 and 8,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 90%. Here we have a 2023 Nissan Livina 1.5 automatic transmission with the floor price of 891,000 and 18,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 90% as well. Filipina. Beside that, we have a 2023 Mitsubishi Xpander 1.5G GLS automatic transmission with a floor price of 891,000 and a 25,000 mileage, giving this car a tread life of 90% or 85% with rain visor, Here we have the 2023 Mazda 2 1.5 Skyactiv HP Premium Series automatic transmission with the floor price of 918,000 and a 3,000 mileage, giving this car a tread life of 95%. Very beautiful car. Here we have a 2023 Suzuki Ertiga GL Hybrid automatic transmission, floor price of 999,000, 2,000 mileage. Next, we have a 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission with a floor price of 612,000 and a mileage of 27,000, which gives this car an 85% tread life. This car also has a rain visor. Here we have a 2023 Hyundai Stargazer 1.5 GL IVT automatic transmission with a floor price of 774,000 and a 38,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 85%. 2023 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4D GLS 2-wheel drive and an automatic transmission with a floor price of 1,387,000 and a 16,000 mileage. This car has 90% tread life with rain visors. Mitsubishi Strada 2.4D GLS 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission with a floor price of 1,007,021,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 90%. We have a 2023 Morris Garage MGZS 1.5 Alpha automatic transmission with a floor price of 711,000 and a 6,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 95%. This car also has a rain visor with a good set of wheels. Here we have a 2022 Mitsubishi Strada 2.4D Athlete 4-wheel drive with automatic transmission and a floor price of 1,269,000 and a 37,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 85% with no rain visor. Here we have a 2020 Hyundai Accent 1.6 GL CRD in manual transmission and a floor price of 423,000 and a 68,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 80%, which also has beautiful rims and a rain visor. Here we have a 2024 Suzuki Dzire 1.2 GL manual transmission and a floor price of 684,000 and a 2,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 99%. The 2023 Mitsubishi Strada 2.4D GLS 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission with a floor price of 1,062,000 and a 5,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 90 to 95%, which includes also rain visor, Here we have a 2024 Suzuki Dzire 1.2 GL AGS 80 automatic transmission with the floor price of 648,000 and 5,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 95%. Here we have a 2023 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4D GLS two-wheel drive in automatic transmission with a floor price of 1,449,000 and 8,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 95%. Here we have a 2023 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5G GLX automatic transmission with a floor price of 819,000 and a 39,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 85 to 90%. Here we have a 2023 Mitsubishi Strada 2.4D GLS 4x4 manual transmission with a 1,242,000 floor price and a 6,000 mileage. This car has a tread life of 95%. Beautiful. 'Dito naman, meron tayong 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission na may floor price na 532,000 and 15,000 mileage. Meron tong tread life na 90%. ...2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission, floor price 570,000 and 16,000 mileage na may tread life na 90%. ...2019 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2G GLX CVT automatic transmission, floor price of 306,000 and a mileage of 79,000. This car has a tread life of 70%. Here we have a 2023 Toyota Hiace 3.0 L commuter manual transmission na may floor price na 1,116,000 tsaka mileage na 50,000. May tread life to na 80%. Tapos meron rin siyang rain visor. Ganda ang mga gulong. Ganda. Dito naman meron tayong 2019 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend automatic transmission na may floor price na 468,000 tsaka 44,000 mileage. Yung mga gulong nito merong 80% tread life na lang. Mga gulong maganda pa. Meron tayong 2023 Suzuki Ertiga GL Hybrid manual transmission. Floor price 732,000 tsaka 10,000 yung mileage niya. Meron siyang tread life na nasa 95 to 90%. Wala siyang rain visor. Ang ganda ang gulong. Ganda, kintab. Dito meron tayong 2022 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission siya na may floor price na 540,000 tapos 21,000 mileage. Tread life nitong kotseng to is nasa 80%. Wala siyang rain visor. Malinis ang gulong. Makintab. Ganda. Walang sira. Ganda. Solid. Dito meron naman tayong 2023 Toyota Vios ulit 1.3 XLE automatic siya. Floor price 603,000 tsaka may mileage na 33,000. Wala siyang rain visor. Tread life nito is nasa 85% na. Kintab, malinis. Dito meron tayong 2023 Suzuki APV 1.6 GA dual aircon manual transmission siya. May floor price na 542,000 tsaka mileage na 5,000. Itong kotse meron siyang tread life na 95%. Meron rin siyang rain visor. Walang scratch. Maganda yung gulong. Maganda. Malinis. Ito meron tayong 2024 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE manual, floor price 666,000. 10,000 yung mileage. Tread life na ito nasa 95%. Ito magandang kotse, 2019 Toyota Innova 2.8G automatic transmission. 789,000 floor price na niya. 83,000 ang mileage. Ang gulong niya may tread life na 75 to 80% na. Ganda. Color white tong Innova. Meron ding rain visor na kasama kabilaan to. Toyota Innova. Dito naman meron tayong 2024 Nissan Navara 2.5 caliber X 4x2 automatic siya. Floor price niya 1.251 million. Mileage niya 4,000. Tread life na ito nasa 95%. Maganda. Maganda ng kulay. ito 2022 Toyota Vios 1.3 automatic. ...2023 Honda HR-V 1.5 V-Turbo CVT automatic. Floor price 1,431,000. 4,000 mileage. Tread life 95%. Meron ring rain visor. ...2016 Honda City 1.5 VX Navi CVT automatic transmission, 428,000, 72,000 mileage. Tread life 75%. Meron rin siyang rain visor tsaka spoiler. Wow, miss. 2021 Honda City 1.5 SCVT automatic transmission, 603,000 floor price, 16,000 mileage. / 2023 Suzuki Ertiga GL Hybrid automatic transmission, 912,000 floor price, 12,000 mileage. Tread life na ito nasa 90%. / 2023 Toyota Hiace 3.0L commuter manual transmission, floor price 1,125,000, 51,000 yung mileage. Tread life ng gulong nito nasa 80%. / 2022 Toyota Vios 1.3J manual transmission, 428,000 floor price, 34,000 mileage. Tread life nasa 80%. / 2022 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4D GT 4-wheel drive automatic transmission, floor price 1,746,000, 27,000 yung mileage. Tread life na ito nasa 80% na rin. Meron siyang rain visor magkabilaan, ganda ang kulay itim. / 2023 Toyota Light Ace 1.5 FX manual, floor price 576,000 tsaka 13,000 ang mileage. Tread life na ito nasa 90%. / 2023 Toyota Hiace 3.0L commuter manual transmission, floor price 1,161,000 and 34,000 yung mileage. Tread life is nasa 85%. Meron siyang rain visor sa magkabilang. Ito, rain visor. Toyota Wigo 1.0G new look manual transmission, 449,000, 20,000 mileage. May tread life na 85%. Meron rin siyang rain visor. Ganda ng rain visor. Ganda ang gulong. Katabi naman niya isang 2022 Toyota Wigo 1.0G automatic transmission, floor price 409,000 na may 24,000 mileage. Meron to tread life na 85 to 90%. Gandang kotse. Walang gasgas, walang sira. Ito meron tayong Strada 2023 Mitsubishi Strada 2.4D at Athlete 2-wheel drive automatic transmission na may floor price na 1,170,000 tsaka 27,000 mileage. Kaya itong tread light na 85%. Wala siyang rain visor. Ganda ang gulong. Malinis. Ganda. Dito naman meron tayong 2024 Mitsubishi L300 2.2 with FD body and dual aircon. Manual transmission siya, tsaka may floor price na 783,000, tas 800 lang ang mileage niya. Nasa 99% pa ang tread light nito. Bagong bago lang. Sa likod ng Wigo, meron tayong Nissan Livina 2024 1.5 DE automatic transmission, 798,000 floor price, 9,000 ang mileage niya. May tread life na 95%. Itong Livina meron siyang rain visor. Ganda. Pa ang kotse. Sunod, meron tayong Mazda 2023 Mazda 2 1.5 Skyactiv HD Premium Series automatic siya. Floor price 909,000, 19,000 ang mileage niya. Meron siyang tread life na 95% o 90%. Wala siyang rain visor. Maganda ang gulong. Katabi niya meron tayong 2022 Morris Garage MGHS 1.5 Turbo Trophy automatic transmission, floor price 808,000, mileage 13,000. May tread life na 85%. Walang rain visor. Tabi naman niya isa pang, ito naman ay Geely Okavango 1.5 urban, automatic siya. Floor price 903,000 and 8,000 mileage. Mayroon siyang tread life na 85%, wala siyang rain visor. Naman isang Mitsubishi Expander 1.5G GLS automatic, floor price 922,000, 3,000 mileage, very healthy, and tread life of 99%. Suzuki Ertiga 1.5 GLX automatic, 874,000 floor price, 3,000 mileage, tread life of 95%. Dito isa pang Toyota Vios 2024 1.3 XLE automatic, floor price 693,000, 5,000 mileage, tread life is nasa 99%. We have 2022 Honda BRV 1.5 CVT automatic, 810,000 floor price, 16,000 mileage. Tread life is nasa 85%. Meron siyang rain visor. Tsaka itong sa taas, mud rock. Dito meron tayong 2023 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4D GLS, 2-wheel drive siya, automatic, floor price 1.422 million and 25,000 yung mileage. Tread life nasa 85%, wala siyang rain visor. Katabi, meron tayong 2023 Mitsubishi L300 2.2D C manual, floor price 747, mileage 9,000, tread life ay nasa 90%. Dito we have 2023 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5G GLX automatic, floor price 846, tapos 26,000 yung mileage niya. Tread life is nasa 85%. Meron rin siyang rain visor. Rain visor. Ito, isang Nissan Almera 1.0 VE turbo automatic, 827,000 floor price, 4,000 ang mileage. Tread life nito 99%. Ang puti, makintab, malinis. Sa likod naman niya yung Nissan Navara 2.5 VE caliber 4x2 manual transmission, 893,000 floor price, 19,000 mileage. Tread life nito nasa 85% o 80%. Itong Navara mayroon siyang rain visor. Siya. Ang ganda ng puti. Yung gulong. Nabat. Katabi niya ay isang Nissan Livina ulit. 2024, 1.5 VE automatic. Floor price 891,000 and 17,000 mileage. Meron tong tread life ng 95%. Gulong maganda pa. Linis. Ganito oh. Tapos ito naman sa harap niya. Isang MG GS 1.3 trophy automatic, floor price 783, 10,000 mileage. Meron tong tread life na 90%. Meron ring rain visor. Ganda din. Dito sa harap, meron rin 2023 Kia Stonic 1.4 RX automatic, floor price 618,000 tsaka 7,000 mileage. Meron itong tread life na 95%. Meron din siyang rain visor. Gandang kotse, ang ganda ng kulay. Solid. Ito naman, meron tayo 2023 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4D GLS 2-wheel drive. Automatic siya. Floor price niya is 1,449,000 plus 16,000 yung mileage niya. Ang tread life nito is nasa 90%. Ganda, malaki. Malinis. Maganda ang kulay. Katabi naman niya isang Suzuki 2024 Desire 1.2 GL AGS automatic, floor price 637,000 tsaka mileage niya 5,000. tread life nasa 99%. Ito isang Honda Brio 2022 1.2 CVT automatic, floor price 576 and 26,000 mileage na may tread life to na 85%. Yung Honda Brio na to meron ring rain visors both sides. Katabi naman itong Brio is isa pang Toyota Vios 2023 1.3J manual, 540 yung floor price, 540,000, tsaka 27,000 yung mileage nya. Tread life nito nasa 85%. Itong katabi niya ay Suzuki Espresso 1.0 GL ABS automatic, floor price 494,000 tsaka 8,000 ang mileage. Tread life is nasa 95%. Wala siyang rain visor. Dito naman sa likod nila merong Toyota 2021 Wigo 1.0 GL ay 1.0G automatic, 390,000 yung floor price niya, tapos 29,000 yung mileage. Yung tread life na ito nasa 80% na, pero maganda pa rin, malinis ang kulay, maganda ang kulay. Ganda talaga ng Wigo. Tapos ito naman 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic, floor price is 130,000, 19,000 yung mileage na. Tread life na ito nasa 85% na. Meron na rin siyang rain visor. Ito naman 2021 Suzuki Espresso 1.0 GL manual, floor price 360,000, 5,000 yung mileage, pero tread life na ito nasa 90%. Meron rin siyang mga rain visor magkabilaan. Ang ganda rin ang ilan. Sa tabi niya merong 2024 Suzuki Diesel 1.2 GL TGS automatic, floor price 618,000, 11,000 yung mileage niya. Tread life nasa 90 to 95%. Meron siyang rain visor, kabilaan rin. Meron tayong 2024 Suzuki Ertiga GL Hybrid, automatic transmission, 999,000, 7,000 mileage, may tread life na 95%.